Hi everyone, I'm the Chef Dwight, and lots of people have been asking me about brown stew chicken. So today I'm gonna be making brown stew chicken. First thing I do, I wash the chicken with lime juice. Also, I am cooking 3 pounds of chicken, chopped in pieces. Now we season the chicken. First thing I do, I had 2 teaspoons of salt. 1 teaspoon of black pepper. 1 teaspoon all-purpose seasoning. 2 teaspoons browning. 2 teaspoons of soy sauce. 1 teaspoon of paprika. 1 medium onion chopped. 3 cloves of garlic. 3 stalks of scallions. Half bell pepper. 3 sprigs thyme. Some ginger. And last but not least, some scotch bonnet with the seed taken out. Now I'm gonna mix all the seasoning together. So the next step, I'm gonna cover the chicken and put it in the fridge for 24 hours. Okay, it's 24 hours now, and I'm gonna take my chicken from the fridge. So the first thing I do, I throw 3 tablespoons of oil in the pot. Then I take the seasoning from off the chicken. Save it for last. So now my oil is hot, and I'm gonna throw 1 tablespoon of brown sugar on the hot oil to make it caramelize. Now that it's caramelized, I'm gonna throw the chicken in the pot. So I'm gonna brown the chicken on both sides for 2 to 3 minutes. So now I'm gonna add back all the scallion and the onion and the seasoning back in the pot. And I'm gonna stir it for 3 minutes. Then I'm gonna put some chopped up tomato, diced tomato, and then some diced potato. Then I'm gonna throw 2 cups of chicken stock. I let my pot start boiling, comes to a boil. Then I put the cover on and simmer for 35 minutes. Okay, it's 35 minutes now, and I'm gonna check on my chicken. Looking good. I'm gonna prepare to share. Okay folks, this is my brown stew chicken, and I hope you all learned something on how to make it. And don't forget, please like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.